look at Simon.
Bro, please leave me alone. I just...
Leave you alone? You're already alone because you have no friends.
Antisocial.
Bro, I don't care. Sometimes I like being alone, so...
You better be. That girl you have a crush on doesn't even like you back.
Oh, he just called him ugly. Oh
Bro,
my
I don't even know what you're
goodness.
talking about.
Of course you don't because you're dumb.
Oh, I'm dumb? Didn't you fail out of school, though?
Yo, it's getting real. Oh my goodness. He just said that.
Bro, education is stupid anyway. Like,
Oh, of course the person who got arrested last summer is saying
This
that.
man is a convict.
yo, man, how'd you know about that?
Bro, it was all over the news. I mean, I may be ugly, but at least I can still get a job.
Bro's gonna be
man, I'm
unemployed.
sorry.
Oh my
Sorry for what? For your parents not loving you?
Oh my God,
no, this man is crazy. Let me just say, stop. You've done enough. No, I'm just getting stuck. Oh.